What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here.
Hello.
And Kristen. And we are going out to Red, White, and Blue thrift store. Possibly a couple others, not sure. We're trying to make a trip out of it because we have to run from my house down to her house. And there's some thrift stores along the way. So I'm bringing you guys with me. Hopefully we find some awesome stuff. Let's go. At the Dunkin' drive-thru, Dunkin' Donuts, getting water because I'm super special. Kristen has this cool coconut Thin Mint.
It's the Girl Scout cookie flavor. It's the coconut caramel, aka Samoa.
Bam, there we go. Let's go. All right, guys, O'Reilly Auto Parts. This is the best place to do retail arbitrage. They have so many great deals in here. I'm just joking. I need to get oil for my car real bad because my car hasn't had an oil change in a while. So I need to add some oil, get an oil change tomorrow. That's the plan. Here we are walking up. I don't see a single cart inside, so gotta grab this one. That's how packed this place is right now. There's 0 carts available. All these cars are probably all inside of here, so it is 2 o'clock, so a lot of the resellers come right when they open, so hopefully there's not too many resellers in here right now. 50% off white and blue tags, 25% off of red, but only clothing, so who cares then? Oh, thank you. Alright guys, definitely a good game to keep an eye out for. NBA 2K13 for the Wii U. It's the only NBA game that came out for the Wii U. So this game has a little bit of a higher rank, but it's going for $47 is the cheapest. And let's see if that's acceptable or not. So the condition is acceptable, so that's probably without the case. And then it jumps to over 100, which is crazy, but you know, you could probably ask $50 to $70 on this thing and it'll probably sell. So good game to look out for. All right, here we are in the toys section, taking a look around. A couple of board games, but still looking.
Brenda.
So this thrift store sells shopping carts full of shoes for 50 bucks. These are all the rejects. I've been sitting on the shelf for a while, but there's a pair of Merrells right there, some boots. Let's see what else we got in here. Hugo Boss dress shoes, Bostonian. It's gonna be a lot of junk. There might be one. Oh. Uh-oh. Girl fell out of the cart. All right, so we got some board games, got some electronics, and I have a bunch of Legos being held up front. They're actually asking about $15 to $40 a box, which is a lot, but I'm gonna double my money on all of them, so I will buy them all. I'm looking through some of the clothing right now. Just seeing what kind of stuff we have. This is brand new with tags, $20 though. I think red is 50% off right now, or 25%, but still, that's kind of a lot. We're gonna keep looking around. Kristen went out to the car. She wasn't feeling so good. She's just going to sit down for a bit. So I'm trying to speed up in here. Hopefully I find some good stuff in here. What is this? Oh no, I thought that was brand new with tags, but $6. Some of this stuff's just crazily priced, but you know, it is what it is. Hopefully I find a few good brands right here real quick, and then we could pop out of here and go somewhere else. So I found this Patagonia for $6. It's organic cotton, has the Patagonia tag right there on the chest. I've actually never really had great luck selling Patagonia, so I might actually leave it. $6 is a little high. If it was $3 or $4, I would definitely pick it up. It's 100% chanvre. Don't really know what that is, but I mean, it's a really nice shirt, but $6 for something that just doesn't sell that well for me. I don't know why. I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna look up that material real quick and see if maybe this one's going for some money. So I spent just under $150 on all of this stuff right here. We got some board games, a bunch of Lego sets. They were all priced between, like I said, $15 and $40, but I'm gonna double my money on every single one, which is nice. I did pick up one shirt. See the Yankees logo right there? That's actually a Tommy Bahama with the New York Yankees embroidered on it. So $6, that was kind of unique. I figured I'd grab it. Didn't really look up the complete listings on eBay just because I figure, you know, $6, Tommy Bahama and Yankees, that should go for what, 25, 30, hopefully. We'll see. And backseat of the car still a mess from our trip. Gotta put this stuff in there, then we're good to go. We are now at a Goodwill. This actually looks really nice. This is really nice. So we are now at a Goodwill. We're gonna go inside, take a look. It's freezing outside, but still really sunny. Look at that, holy moly. All right, let's see what they got. All right, we're walking around. This is where they keep all the board games and toys on top of these things right here. So we're gonna look if we see anything new sealed. You see anything sealed, Kristen?
No.
Neither do I. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't think a single thing. Nope. That's a shame. I'm caught on something. All right. So, these are the new bins that they push out, and it's all their new goods that they haven't put on the floor yet. Hey, this is kind of like Soph's milk bar. Oh my gosh, my mom has that exact same one.
She does.
Right? Mm-hmm. That's so weird. It's kind of funny. All right. These new bins aren't looking great. There are some books down in there, and some books right there. But we'll see. I'll show you guys if I find anything. Found some really awesome old school programs for the computer and games. This one's still brand new, Titanic Explorer. They're $4 a piece. That one has kind of a high rank, but it's going for about 33. This one had a pretty good rank, it's going for 25. And this one had an insanely high rank, but nobody was selling it new. So I think I'm gonna just grab it because it's brand new. And we're gonna keep looking. Found a combo player, and we're gonna look through this electronics section right here. What are you guys thinking on this vintage EMS, Eastern Mountain Sports hat? It's $3. It's definitely vintage. Whoops, I dropped it. It says made in USA right there. Made in USA, one size fits all. This thing's pretty dope. What do you guys think? I think it's gonna be a solid grab. This is definitely a good brand to keep an eye out for. Untuckit. They want $10 though. The comps are looking pretty good. You could see you know, 30s, 40s, but some aren't selling and some are only going for about 25-ish. I don't know, it's kind of all over the place, but I'm gonna pass on it. If it were $5, I would definitely grab it, but 10, I'm gonna have to leave it, sadly. And I used to sell this brand for a lot more. I used to get about 50 to 70, but the price is coming down a bit. So here we are inside of another Goodwill, and the last one was not bad, honestly. So, oh, look at this little mini Nerf. A little mini Nerf Turbo, $2. Normally sold for $4 from Kohl's. If it'll focus. There we go. Yeah, normally sold for $4. I doubt it's going for much, but we'll still throw it in the cart. Take a look around and see what kind of stuff. This is a pretty small Goodwill, honestly. As you can see, it's not the biggest. You can see pretty much the whole store from right here. So we'll see what we find. Alright, so I'm looking for video games in here. When I see this up here, this is a Tony Robbins set. Shout out to Rake and Profit and Jameson Philippi. They're at Tony Robbins' event in Las Vegas, I believe, right now. But I usually find this on VHS, so I'm gonna see how much this sells for on DVD. The VHS is never really worth that much. They want $8 for it. Let's see. Used, it's going for $75 prime, $23 not prime. So 75 is pushed way out of proportion, but it's underneath books, even though they're DVDs, so I could definitely sell them. $8, I'll probably list it for 40, 50 and see what happens. So not bad right there. I haven't looked up the football yet. I'll look that up soon. So this is looking like a theme today. More big box PC games. Whole bunch of them. Lots of Rainbow Six, Star Trek. They want $6 a piece here. $8, $6. That's kind of a lot. What's this one? Kind of cool. I don't think any of these are really going to be worth it though, especially at $8. I'm not even going to bother. But we're going to keep looking. Look what I found. A brand new sealed Risk. Oh, damn, it's from Target. $8. I thought this was actually vintage. Oh, that's a shame. Oh, but there is a puzzle. Brand new sealed. Kristen, why are you throwing stuff on the ground?
Oh, shut up.
I'm gonna scan this. All right, so we're breaking up the thrifting with Puppy Kisses. This is a puppy store, and there's so many puppies. Oh, I see a really cute little white one over there. Okay, we're gonna see them all, and it's gonna be amazing, and we're gonna love them. Oh, what's your name? You're Tommy. Hi, Tommy. Hi, Tommy.
Cute puppy right now.
Hi. Oh, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy, Tommy? Oh, hi. You're so far down in there. Oh.
Look at this baby.
And you. And you. Who's over here? Oh, hey.
Oh my God,
Hey, what's up? What's your name?
look at this.
You're Cora. Hi, Cora. You don't care? All right, bye. Oh, hello.
Oh my God.
Oh, hello. Oh, he's passed out. Oh, let's go around here. We're gonna see the big ones now. Oh, you're so cute. What?
What's a beagle?
A beagle. A beagle and a pipple, maybe? All right, what do we have over here? Oh, little ones. Oh, we got some little guy. Oh, hey, big boy. Bandit. Oh, you are cute.
Hi, Bandit.
Oh, you are cute. Look at the stuff in his mouth. Oh, here's some other big guys. Hey. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hi. Oh, what's your name? Oh, you are so cute. He's a big guy. He's Liam, the golden doodle.
Golden doodles are huge.
Oh my gosh, a newfie.
Yep.
Oh, I know.
Look how happy that he looks. Look at you.
Smells over here. Oh my gosh, look at the puppy. Look at the puppy corner, Kristen. That's the slumber corner.
Oh my God. Wow.
Question for you.
Oh my gosh. And there's even more. There's more way over there. So many puppies. All right, well, we're here at Moes to get some burritos, but they kind of look like they're closing. Now, somebody just got a whole plate full of stuff. Oh no, I don't know. We're gonna see if they're still open. Oh, they're open till 10? Hell yeah. We got our food, got chicken burritos, chips, salsa, queso. Oh, this is looking delicious. All right, we are at the last Goodwill Superstore. Last Goodwill of the day. It is absolutely freezing outside. Hopefully, we find some Gucci deals. What do you got? Crazy prices? Oh, it's quiet in here.
Yeah, you came in like really loud.
There's something for 75 right
Everyone
there.
knows you're here now.
Of course they know I'm here. There's a Wii for 30. Lego Minecraft. That's open. Nothing else really, so we'll look. All right, I found a board game for $4, going for about 20. Not bad. Looking around. We're gonna head back here to the electronics area. See what we find. I'm thinking there's some ink for $5. What? Is it expired? Expired 10 years ago. That's kind of pushing the date for eBay, because 10 years you could probably get a return on that. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Not looking like much here. Here's a Palm Accessories travel kit. Not that interesting. Not really finding too much of this one. Here's another cold brew machine. They had that the other one. Those are Target clearance. If you see these white stickers, especially up here in Connecticut, I don't know if it's the whole country, but it means they come from Target, which means they just cut the price in half. Usually nothing's ever worth it. Every once in a while you'll find one or two things, but we're gonna keep looking.